So we've got a Dell all-in-one PC that's coming today for a SSD and RAM upgrade. All the components of this PC are located just behind the screen. So what we do is lift up the back cover. Under the cage on the bottom right is where the hard drive is. Top right, you've got the CD drive, and on the top left, you've got the motherboard and the heatsink. You remove these screws here to get access to the hard drive. With the cage removed now, we have to use this SSD housing to allow it to fit back into the original cage. Everything connected and secure. We load up Windows and we're done.